accommodation for one night, for 2 adults. And he is prized with kind compliments of Tamno International, Tourism Fiji, Plantation Island Resort, South Sea Cruise, and Warwick Fiji Resort and Spa. It's one accommodation for two adults, inclusive of the daily breakfast. He has won with the kind compliments of Sofitel Fiji Resort and Spa, and also Sofitel Luxury Hotel.
So we're here this evening to celebrate the accomplishment of 4 Fijian hosts from the months from July through to December last year. These are individuals who have captured the attention of our visitors at the Nandi International Airport through their superb customer service. Today we will also award the annual Fijian Host of the Year. This is an award for an individual whose performance throughout 2016 has been exceptional. The Fijian Host Program has done a fantastic job in creating a culture of excellence at our major international airport. This has boosted both the visitor experience as well as boosting the efficiency of the airport as well. I attended an inspiring seminar on Monday night by a gentleman called Ron Kaufman from an organisation called Up Your Service. I believe Alan was there. I'm not sure if anyone else had the opportunity to attend. But Ron is a guy who knows a thing or two about customer service. And he shared his approach for customer service, an approach that's used to set new benchmarks across businesses right across the globe. His impressive list of clients include organisations like Singapore Airlines, Changi Airport and Lux Resorts, to name a few. He shared the importance of service and the value it can create for businesses. And he also, and importantly, shared that improving service requires constant improvement. It's something that's not achieved in one day or just in one particular area. It requires constant improvement. And if Ron was here, he gave his presentation next door, and if he was still here today, I'm sure he'd be very impressed by the Fijian Host Initiative that strives towards this constant improvement of service at the Nandi International Airport as well. To all our Fijian hosts here this evening, your role as frontliners is exceptionally important. You are the first and last impression our visitors have of Fiji. You are the determining factor which could really dictate whether a visitor decides to return or not to Fiji. And it's the warmth and the genuine hospitality that you show to our visitors that contributes to our tourism industry and ensures that we remain known as the happiest place on the planet. It's a highly regarded contribution and one that contributes towards an industry that provides 30% of the GDP for Fiji. If we reflect on 2016, it was a fantastic year. We saw the tourism industry grow further and set new records. And this is despite a few hurdles we had at the start of the year with Tropical Cyclone Winston and a number of flooding events as well. We finished the year in a high, and the provisional figures from the Fiji Bureau of Statistics show that we had 792,320 visitor arrivals. This is a 5% increase on the year before, and a huge achievement that everyone here should be very proud about. 2017 is also looking very positive, and we're expecting a further increase in our visitor arrivals as we expand our marketing activities in our traditional markets as well as many emerging markets as well. Furthermore, government has created a vision of creating a $2.2 billion tourism industry by the year 2021, and its focus is also on increasing quality and not just quantity. To achieve this requires a commitment not only to providing the finest facilities, but also ensuring a lasting impression is left on our visitors. The warmest hospitality and the highest level of service is needed, and this is where the Fijian Host Program fits in. I also wish to thank each individual serving here as our frontliners. I'd like to thank you for your exceptional service, your commitment, your dedication and all the great work that you achieved in 2016. I encourage you to continue doing what you're doing best and in taking our industry to new heights. As well as that, I'd also like to acknowledge all the sponsors for generously donating the prizes for the winners this evening. And there is quite a few to name, and I think the number of sponsors who support this initiative really shows the support of industry behind it. I'd like to thank the following sponsors: Fiji Airways, Sofitel Resort and Spa, the Warwick Resort, Plantation Island Resort, Captain Cook Cruises, Raffles Gateway, the Shangri-La Fijian Resort, South Sea Cruises, Tanoa International Hotel and the good guys at Tourism Fiji. I also appreciate everyone being here this evening to support the initiative and making the awards a great success, and I wish our frontliners the very best for 2017. Continue the great service and please keep making our industry proud. Banaka and have a good evening.